Coming out of a AOS interview for a step-parent, step-child interview again here at the 300 North. This time the line wasn't that long, but basically got to check in, got called in pretty quickly within 30 minutes, had a good officer, and we already had filed for the spouse. The spouse had gotten approved when the interviews were being waived. Then we filed for the child, the stepchild. So the United States citizen parent had married the mother of the immigrant child before the child had turned 18 years old, so he could, as a United States citizen, file for the child as well. And now, because the interviews are back, she was called in for an interview. Both the petitioner, the stepfather, and the beneficiary, the stepdaughter, were called in, went to the interview. Basically, pretty straightforward. She just violated her non-immigrant status, meaning she had entered with a visitor visa but then overstayed before filing it. So she only, on the visitor visa, you have 6 months to stay, but she was a little bit over that 6 months when we filed the application, and so that's why the non-immigrant status was violated. She hadn't worked without authorization. A lot of people do work without authorization and they get scared. Just keep in mind that if you're petitioning based on a United States citizen immediate relative, so in this case being a step parent, it could be also a spouse, but this was a step parent, then even working without authorization is okay. But she hadn't worked without authorization because she was very, adamant about following all the rules, and which is great, but even if you have, then it's okay. A lot of people think it's not, or that think it's going to be an issue. If they have, they'll just basically ask you, what have you done, and where did you work, what were you doing. But otherwise, basically the same eligibility questions, like have you been a member of any organizations, funds, have you been in military service, have you committed genocide, have you killed anybody, have you been denied a visa before, have you been denied admission, meaning like you tried to enter the border with maybe a visa and they denied your admission. But those were basically most of the questions. Otherwise, everything went pretty smoothly. Had an experienced officer and it was approved. So keep in mind, again, guys, if you get married to somebody and the child's under 18 years old, you can file for that child as a United States citizen.